my channel, and I'm Snigdha here and you're watching Princess Style. So this video is especially for those who are looking affordable skincare and in their budget. Then this video is going to be help them lot and you are in the right place, guys. So without further delay, let's get started this video, guys. First thing, when it's coming to the makeup remover, makeup like Ayur Herbal Deep Pore Cleansing Milk, it comes under 100 rupees, guys. So this is very affordable. Anyone can buy it, guys. So it really does the work. Like it really removes all the makeups in affordable range, guys. So you can go for it. Those who are beginners, for them this is very good, guys. So the next I'm going to tell you, you can also use as a makeup remover Johnson baby oil. Also it also removes all the makeups when you are using it, guys. So it's very lightweight and also it is 100 ml and the 100 ml and the price of it is 100 rupees, guys. So when it's coming to the next step, and the next step is we are going to do, after cleansing our face, after makeup remover, we are going to wash our face. And for washing our face we need a face wash. So this is the face wash, guys, and it is available in the various forms. Like it is available in tiny, in smaller size also and bigger size also. So according to your budget you can choose it. Like it comes in 120 rupees and the price of it is 20 rupees, guys. So I think it's really a budget friendly. That, guys, after washing our face, so we need to use a toner, and for toner I have selected here that Ayur Herbal Skin Toner, that it can be easily available in the market, guys. So the price of it is 50 rupees, guys. Can you imagine, in 50 rupees you are getting a toner, guys? If you really do not have any toner, then you can go for simply a rose water, and rose water is available in under 50 rupees, guys, and also available in 30 rupees, guys. So if you want a herbal toner and which has no paraben, then this is the rose water toner, guys, from VLCC. The price of it is 200, guys. So very affordable and very cheaper, guys. After using a toner, and basically the most important step is moisturizing your skin. Yes, guys, the moisturizing our skin is a very important step that we never skip, guys. If you are not using a moisturizer, then your skin is going to be flaky, cracky, and sometimes dries up. So your face is going to be look like dull skin. So guys, follow a moisturizer after washing your face. So this is the mandatory step, guys. You should never skip. First moisturizer which I'm going to show you, that this is the aloe vera gel. It really moisturizes your skin, guys. And this is from Patanjali aloe vera gel, guys. It comes under 99 and it is available in the different variants. Like it is available in the smaller size also. So you can go for it. It comes like under 75 or else 50 rupees. I really don't know, but it comes under 100 rupees, guys. So it is really going to moisturize your skin well. So you can add this one into your skincare routine. The next moisturizer which I'm going to tell you, that this is the Nivea Soft Moisturizer, guys, and this moisturizer comes in 36 rupees, guys. It's really very good, guys. So it really moisturizes your skin for the long time. So I can highly recommend you that you can go for it. So the price of it is very cheaper, guys. So it is available in 36 rupees, guys. So okay, the next product which I'm going to tell you, that this is the deep moisturizing cream from the Dove, and this is also very good, guys. So you can also use as a body moisturizer and facial moisturizer. It is non-greasy for oily skin. It's very good, guys. So you can go for it, the Dove moisturizer, guys. Next moisturizer, this is the Pond's Light Moisturizer, guys, and this is also going to work very good. And also both are available in under 200 rupees, guys, and the price of both is 200 rupees, 199 rupees, guys. So it is available also in the various forms. Like it is like 120 and 100 rupees you can get it, guys. So guys, after moisturize your skin, I have chosen the day cream, and the day cream is very affordable, guys. So you can get it. This is the Fair and Lovely day cream, and this mostly women are preferring this Fair and Lovely multivitamin advanced. Also available in different variants, guys. So like in 55, in 50 rupees, according to your budget you can go for it, guys. So the last but not the least, guys, and here I have brought for you sunscreen for you, guys. After moisturizing your skin, sunscreen is the most important step that we should never skip it. So I have brought for you, this is the Fair and Lovely sunscreen guys. It is SPF 15 guys. So the price of it is guys 155. And if you really want to go a paraben free sunscreen, then this is another sunscreen which is very affordable guys, and this is from VLCC Natural Sciences. It's also a matte sunscreen guys, and paraben free guys. It is also a non-greasy, so for oily skin it suits well guys. So the price of it is 200, it is a 155. So according to your budget you can go for it guys. Daily skincare is over, but we should not skip our lip care, and lip moisturizing also important. So I have chosen here a Vaseline, and Vaseline is very good to nourishing and to moisturize your lips guys. So if you have dry lips, flaky lips, then you can go for Vaseline, and it is available in the various forms like 5 rupees. In 5 rupees you will get the Vaseline. This Vaseline price is 75 rupees guys, but it is available in the 5 rupees, and much more quantity. So it goes for long time guys. So you can select as per your budget guys. So after Vaseline I have brought for you guys, this is a glycerin, and glycerin not only moisturize your lips, it also makes your lips supple and moisturizing, and if you have darker lips it really helps to lightening your lips guys. So these are the basic skincare products that you can add in your daily skincare routine. So guys, this video has helped you a lot guys. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'm coming with another video guys. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching this video guys.